But also, I don't know. Have you guys? I don't know what you guys used to watch when you guys were watching a lot of YouTube videos back in the day. But did any of you guys watch like any like Bodil 40? Do you guys know who Bodil 40 is? Or is that just completely out of the timeline? And I mean, for those of you that just have no idea what I'm talking about, Bodil 40 used to make a lot of parkour maps, and they were just they're pretty they're pretty tame. Like there wasn't anything super crazy that you put in the parkour maps. There'll be like that 1 or 2 jumps, but it was just more like a relaxing thing. So when you hey, that's not nice. Because of that, I'm heading over there. But it was just like relaxing parkour. I think that'd be really fun for maybe like a stream or like a video maybe. But it wasn't anything crazy. It had a lot of like scenery and everything like that. So he was more like a builder, to be honest. But it was just a lot of fun. No. Is he just jumping? Oh boy, we have a cheat. V bro, somebody is cheater? Huh? What are you talking about? You saying Ian's cheating? Don't do the parkour in the lobby. If you have anger issues, you'll hate me. That's fair. Oh! Don't get his bed yet? I'm gonna head over here anyways. I'm not here. Don't mind me. I am the bed defense. No, I am the bed defense. I am the bed defense. No, I'm the bed defense. I'm the bed defense. This is me. Bed's gone. List. We got 6 of you guys in here now. Winners, are you hopping off? What's going on? Just